Hello everyone, welcome back to the course. In the last chapter, we learned what Python is, why people use Python, and how to use Python. In this chapter, I will introduce the basics of Python programming. The lecture will mainly focus on the exercise. First, let's take a look at our objectives. Upon finishing the course, you will be able to know some Python basic syntax, know some Python data types, and know Python control flow statement, and master the creation of Python functions. And finally, you will know Python object-oriented programming. First, let's take a look at the basics of Python programming. Here is a list of basic programming knowledge. I will introduce this knowledge to you by demonstrating Python code in the exercise. Now, let us start the exercise.